Okay, so here's the code for the single linked list version that we talked about. And here I'm going to talk about inserting something at the end of a list. So that means you already have an existing list and you're trying to put this new number out here. So there is always a case where it might be an empty list, and that's true. If the head pointer is null, if it's empty, we can just call list insert start, because we already know that works. If you're following these videos sequentially, we fix that one first. Okay, so otherwise I'm going to create my temp pointer, which I did here, and put my number in it. Remember, these pointers are both null. That happens in the constructor. So here's what it looks like. Tail pointer, arrow next node pointer. That's this guy right here is going to point to the temp pointer. Sorry, try and get that better color. Then it moves the tail over to here, which is good because if we have a new last node, right, this isn't the tail anymore. And then the problem is this guy needs to point back to this node, and it does not do that. So you have to think about modifying this, right, after you get your tail pointer pointing here. So this would be temp. I wouldn't move the tail pointer yet, right, because you've got a pointer. Before you move the tail pointer here, you've got a pointer to it. So you could say temp pointer arrow previous node pointer is assigned the value of the tail pointer. And you could do that right here, after this line of code, and then move the tail pointer. And then everything will be as it should be.